Take your sedum into your 50-50 water and PVA mix. Give that a good soak. Make sure you cover it all so that everything sticks. Just spin off the excess glue. And into whatever turf you're going to use. This one's a conifer, coarse turf, woodland scenics. And just dab it in there and cover as much as you can. Give it a tap, get rid of the excess. And that's what it'll look like. Come in with your hand and just manually dab it on, and the glue will hold it until it's covered to your liking. You'll see a little bit of glue still poking through, and that'll dry clear. We're going to put a couple of coats of flock on this anyway. Don't need that. That's what it looks like. Spray with the spray adhesive and to lock that in. Next, I add some fine turf. And just really lightly sprinkle that over. And you can see the effect. I put some on the underside as well, just to take away that brown tinge. Lock that in with the spray adhesive. And for new growth, new leaves, I just add some of this stuff I made years ago. I can't even remember what I made it out of, but it gives it a bit of a highlight on the foliage. It makes it look like fresh growth. Don't need much. And you're left with that. Lock it in again with the spray adhesive. That's basically how I make my trees.